Hello everyone, welcome back to ASET Talks. Today we are going to dive deep into the world of APIs, what they are, why they matter, and how they power digital experiences we rely on every day. Firstly, what is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. Let's say it acts as a bridge that allows different software applications to communicate. To make you clear what is API, let's take a real life example. You have been to a restaurant and there is a waiter who listens to your order and he takes that order to the chef and collects the food and gets back to you with the order. So this is what exactly API does in real life. So let me take another example of what API does. Let's say you are searching for a course, understanding an API on Udemy. So how exactly it happens? You perform such requests through API, then database searches for the course, whether it's available in the database or not. Then it responds back with the details, whether if it's available or not available. So here is the actual functionality of an API. API is responsible here to send the request to the database and retrieving the details from the database to the client. So how do API works? Let's take example of client server architecture. Let's say here in the user is client and the medium is application programming interface and the server acts as a backend. The client initiates requests through the APIs. The API makes call to the server after receiving the request. And the server sends the response back to the API with information. Finally, the API is responsible for transferring the data to the client. Let's delve into different types of APIs. Public APIs, which anyone can use. Private APIs, which is meant for internal use of company. Partner APIs, which is shared with specific business users. Some well-known APIs include Twitter APIs, which allows you to post tweets and retrieve the user data. Google Maps API, which allows you to embed maps and location data into your app. APIs benefit businesses. By using APIs, companies can integrate the services with other platforms. For instance, let's take an example of e-commerce apps. It depends on payment APIs to securely process transactions and making it easier for customers to check out. API provides fast and flexible delivery of services according to developers' requirements. APIs produce quicker, faster, and efficient results. The best feature of API is that it allows movement of data between various sites and it enhances the integrated user experience. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel ASA Talks for more informative videos.